Let's see what comes out then. Wow.
Ollie, Ollie, Ollie!
I'm fucking sexy.
Oh, stop it!
Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? I love you.
Jesus, man. Drinking juice over here.
So today I was swimming and there was a bug that I thought was dead. So I was just like, yeah, no. I like poke it. And it comes.
Good morning.